Hello, dear student. I am Amrapali Patil, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, Mahatma Phule Arts, Commerce, and Sitaramji Chaudhary Science Mahavidyalaya, Varud. This is my fifth lecture. Today, we will discuss about PN junction, formation of depletion region, forward bias PN junction, reversed bias PN junction, light emitting diode, varactor diode. PN junction. When one side of pure semiconductor is doped with trivalent impurity atoms and the other side is doped with pentavalent impurity atoms, then PN junction is formed. It is also known as a semiconductor diode. Trivalent impurity atoms means the pentavalent impurity atoms when added in a semiconductor. Trivalent impurity atoms when added in a semiconductor we call as it is P type of semiconductor, and when pentavalent impurity atom is added to a pure semiconductor then it is N type of semiconductor. So in this figure, when this P type of semiconductor and N type of semiconductor are stacked together, then a junction is formed. This common border is known as junction. It is also called as depletion region, and this complete assembly is called as PN junction. This is the symbolical representation of the PN junction in the circuit diagram. Formation of depletion region. In P type of regions, holes are the majority charge carriers while thermally generated electrons are the minority charge carriers. Also, in N type of region, electrons are the majority charge carriers while thermally generated holes are the minority charge carriers. When this PN junction is formed, holes from P region diffused across the junction towards the N region. This diffusion takes place due to their high concentration. Holes from P region diffusing towards the N region recombines with the immobile holes from P region diffusing towards N region recombines with equal number of free electrons near the junction. So the donor ions near the junction lose their free electron. As a result, there is excess of positive charge of immobile donor ions appear near the junction in N type of semiconductor. At the same time, free electrons from N region diffused across the junction towards P region. These electrons recombines with equal number of holes near the junction. As a result, there is excess of negative charge of immobile acceptor ion appear near the junction in P-type semiconductor. The negatively and positively charged region produced near the junction in P and N-type semiconductor respectively. This region do not contains free electrons and holes but consists of only immobile ions only. A potential gradient is created across the junction with P side at low potential and N side at higher potential. This potential gradient across the opposes the further flow of charge carriers across the junction. The thickness of the depletion region is very small, of the order of 10⁻⁻⁶ meter. Its thickness depends on the doping level. See in this figure, In this figure, this is a PN junction. This is a PN junction. This is P type of region. This is N type of region. The P type of semiconductor is due to trivalent impurity, and hence it contains acceptor ions. See, these are negative electrons enclosed in the circle are the acceptor ions, and these are plus symbol enclosed in the circle is donor ion. So in P type of region there are acceptor ions, and these acceptor ions are diffused towards the junction. These acceptor ions diffused towards the junction. They diffuse towards this border line. Similarly, in N type of region, the N type of semiconductor is due to the pentavalent impurity atom. So there are donor ions in N type of region, and these donor ions are diffused towards the junction. So these donor ions and the acceptor ions get fixed at near the junction. There become a layer of these immobile donor and acceptor ion. This is a layer. See, this is a layer which is developed near the junction, and this layer or this region is called as depletion region. In depletion region, only immobile ions are placed. There is no free electrons or holes in the depletion region. You can see only acceptor and donor ions are present in the depletion region. No free electrons or holes are present in this region. Hence there is a depletion. Or a shortage or the reduction of the free electrons. Hence called as a depletion region. The thickness of the depletion region is very small, of the order of 10 raised to power minus 6 meter. Its thickness depends on the doping level. Forward bias PN junction. See in the figure. This is PN junction. When this PN junction this is a PN junction. When this PN junction is connected to the battery, then P type region is connected to the positive terminal of the battery, and N type region is connected to the negative terminal of the battery. So when this type of arrangement is developed in the PN junction, then the junction is said to be forward bias PN junction. And this is a symbolic representation of the forward bias PN junction. In circuit of PN junction, when P type of region is connected to positive terminal of battery and N type of region is connected to negative terminal of battery, then PN junction is said to be in forward bias. In forward biased PN junction, holes from P type region are repelled by the positive terminal of battery and forced to cross the junction. See here. As we know, electrons move towards the positive terminal of the battery, and holes moves towards the negative terminal of the battery. Hence there is the holes are repelled by the positive terminal of the battery and the electrons are repelled by the negative terminal of the battery. Hence, the electrons moving towards the positive terminal of battery, the electron cross this depletion region. Similarly, holes to move towards the negative terminal of battery, these holes cross the depletion region so that they reach to the negative terminal of the battery, and so that due to this arrangement the current is developed. Holes from p-type region are repelled by the positive terminal of battery and forced to cross the junction. Electrons from n-type region are repelled by the negative terminal of battery and forced to cross the junction, which constitute a net current due to the motion of holes and electrons. In forward bias current, potential barrier decreases because the width of the depletion region is decreases. Forward bias voltage Vf increases, corresponding forward bias current If increases. If the ratio delta Vf divided by delta If is known as forward bias resistance. The forward characteristics of PN junction is not a straight line. It does not obey Ohm's law. PN diode is not a non-linear device. This is a figure of characteristics of the characteristics graph of the this is a figure figure of characteristics graph between the forward bias voltage and the forward bias current, which we can see that as voltage increases, the current also increases. This graph is not a straight line. You can see this is not a straight line. Hence, but at a particular value of current, the voltage at the particular value of current, the voltage is constant. You can see that this at this particular value of at this point the voltage is constant. Here also at this particular point of value of current, the voltage is constant. Okay, hence it does not gives a straight line, and hence it does not obey the Ohm's law, that is R equals to resistance equals to voltage upon current. We can see that the particular value of current, the voltage is constant. Reverse bias PN junction. In the circuit of PN diode, when P-type of region is connected to negative terminal of battery and N-type of region is connected to positive terminal of battery, then PN junction is said to be in reversed bias. In this figure, the P-type region is connected to negative terminal of battery and N-type is connected to the positive terminal of battery. This is the symbolic representation of the reversed bias PN junction in the circuit diagram. In reversed bias PN junction, holes are attracted by negative terminal of battery and electrons are attracted by positive terminal of battery. Both types majority charge carriers moves away from the junction. No current flow through the circuit at time of reversed bias condition. In this step, see this positive this p type of region is connected to negative terminal of battery, hence the holes are directly moves towards the negative terminal of battery and the electrons moves towards the positive terminal of battery. Hence these holes and these electrons does not cross this depletion region, and hence due to the movement of these electrons and holes, this depletion region increases. Hence their internal potential barrier also increases, and due to this the free electrons are not moving in this depletion region, and hence there is no current in the reversed bias junction. The width of the depletion region increases. The minority charge carriers cross the junction, so very small current flows through the junction, known as reversed bias current. As the majority charge carriers, holes and electrons does not cross the junction, but some minority charge carriers cross this junction. So in reverse bias junction, we get this very small current flowing through the junction, and this current is known as reversed bias current. The reverse bias current, denoted as IS, depends on the junction temperature, and it increases with increase in temperature. In reversed bias condition, the reverse bias resistance is very high. This is a characteristics graph between the reversed bias voltage and the reversed biased current, also known as saturation current. Okay, we can see that in this figure the voltage and the reversed bias current are in very small amount. Okay, hence they have the negative values. This is the fourth quadrant of the graph. The voltage has negative value and the current have also negative value. As reverse bias voltage decreases, the current also decreases, but at the particular value of the voltage, the current is constant. This is a particular value where the constant becomes current becomes constant. Okay, here also this for this value the current is constant. So this is the characteristic graph of reversed bias voltage and the reverse bias current. Now, light emitting diode, LED. These are the application of the semiconductor. Light emitting diode. It is a special type of PN junction operated in forward biased condition which emits light. LEDs are made from semiconductor material like gallium arsenide. LED also not emit light when in reversed bias. In reversed bias junction, it does not emit light. The color of light emitted by LED depends on the semiconducting material used. For example, when gallium arsenide material is used, light is emitted in infrared region which is invisible. When gallium phosphide material is used, red or green light is emitted. And when gallium arsenide phosphide material is used, we get the red or yellow light. Construction of LED. PN junction is placed on a concave shaped reflector such as p-type region is at the top. This is because recombination of electron hole pairs mainly occurs on the p side from where light emits. So it is placed at the top. The metal film anode connection is made at the outer edge of the p-type region so as to allow more light from central area. Wires are provided for cathode and anode connection. The complete assembly is enclosed in a cylindrical glass or plastic enclosure so that the upper side light can escape. This is a graphical representation of the construction of LED. This is a cylindrical glass or plastic enclosure in which this semiconductor PN junction is placed. This is PN junction. This is a enlarged form of PN junction. This is a concave reflector which reflects the light. This N type of region is connected with the metal contact. This is a metal contact. This metal contact is completely cover this N type of region, and this P type of region which is upper side of the enclosure, so that the electron hole pairs can be recombined and we get the more intense light. This P type of region, the metal contact is very small amount, we can see only corner portions are covered with metal contact and the central portion is exposed for the light emission. So this P type of region with metal contact is connected with the anode wire, and the N type of region with metal contact is reconnected with the cathode wire. So when the voltage is applied, the current is emitted in the form of light which is reflected outward from the P type of region. Working of LED. Under forward bias condition, when electron recombine with a hole, electron makes a transition from bottom of the conduction band to top of the valence band, and the energy difference Eg becomes out in the form of light radiation. Large number of electron hole recombination gives more intensity. The frequency of radiation is given by nu equals to QEG upon H, where mu is the frequency of the radiation, Q is the charge of charged particle, and Eg is the energy band gap or forbidden energy gap. From this we can calculate the wavelength of radiation, which is equals to C upon mu. C is the wavelength of light and mu is the frequency of radiation. Putting the value of frequency of radiation, we get Hc upon QEG in the meter unit. In terms of angstrom unit, we get lambda equals to Hc upon Q into Eg into 10 raised to power minus 10 angstrom unit. Wavelength depends on the energy band gap. Visible light have wavelength range from 7000 angstrom unit, which gives the red color, and 4000 angstrom unit, to 4000 angstrom unit, which gives the violet color. and these are corresponds to the light energy h nu equals to 1.77 electron volt to 3.11 electron volt respectively. Advantages of LED. Advantages of LED. Very small in size. LEDs are very small in size, so we can easily carry out. Working is reliable, having long life, very high operating speed, and available in wide range of colors. We can get variety of colors from the LEDs. Uses. Uses of LED are 7 segment display, calculators, digital clocks, indicator lamps and general purpose lighting, electrical devices. In all these we can use LEDs. Varactor diode. The diode whose internal capacitance varies with the variation of the reverse voltage. The diode contains the capacitance and this capacitance varies with the reverse voltage. This is the symbolic representation of the varactor diodes, where this is a P type of region connected to the anode. This is N type of region connected to cathode.